Now I would like to show a systematic English grammar. While watching this video, please concentrate.
Comparison of adjectives. Look at the pictures first. Zayan, Shaurya, Aditya. Now read what is said about the pictures. Zayan is a strong man. Shaurya is stronger than Zayan. Aditya is the strongest man of the three. Now listen to me carefully. In sentence 1, we simply said, Zayan is a strong man. We did not compare him with any other man. We just call Zayan strong. We say, Shaurya is stronger than Zayan. We are comparing Shaurya and Zayan and say one is stronger than the other. In sentence 3 we say, Aditya is the strongest man of the three. We are comparing Zayan, Shaurya and Aditya and say, Aditya is the strongest of the three men. What do we learn now? Adjectives change in form, strong, stronger, strongest, to show comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison. Now you must learn the definitions. The adjective strong is said to be in the positive degree. It simply states a quality in the thing or person we speak about. It is used when no comparison is made. The adjective stronger is said to be in the comparative degree. It denotes a higher degree of the quality than the positive. It is used when 2 persons or things are compared. The adjective strongest is said to be in the superlative degree. It denotes the highest degree of the quality. It is used when more than 2 persons or things are compared. How to form comparative and superlative degrees? You will study the rules and learn them. Rule number 1. Most adjectives form their comparative degree by adding er and their superlative degree by adding est to the positive. Positive, comparative, superlative. Tall, taller, tallest. Thick, thicker, thickest. Short, shorter, shortest, and so on. Rule number 2. If the positive ends in E, only R and ST are added to form the comparative and the superlative. Brave, braver, bravest. Large, larger, largest. Wise, wiser, wisest, and so on. Rule number 3. If the positive ends in Y and the Y has a consonant before it, Y is changed into I before adding ER and EST. Happy, happier, happiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Lazy, lazier, laziest, and so on. Rule number 4. Sometimes the last letter of the positive is doubled before adding ER and EST. Big, bigger, biggest. Pat, patter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest, and so on. Rule number 5. Now there are 2 more rules to remember. They are different from the others. So listen to me carefully and say them aloud after me. Look at the pictures and read the sentences given under them. The soldier is an important person. The doctor is more important than the soldier. The farmer is the most important person of all. Some adjectives form their comparative and superlative by adding more and most before them. Let us study some more examples. Important. You will notice that words of more than one syllable have more and most added to them. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Courageous, more courageous, most courageous. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous, and so on. Rule number 6. Irregular comparatives and superlatives. Read and learn. There are some adjectives that do not follow any rules while forming their comparatives and superlatives. Take good, for example. We cannot say gooder and goodest, nor can we say badder and baddest. We say a good book, a better book, and the best book. Let us look at some more examples. Read them aloud with me. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Far, farther, farthest. Far, further, furthest. Old, older, oldest. Old, elder, eldest.
Give the comparative and superlative degrees of these. Quick, quicker, quickest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Soft, softer, softest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Large, larger, largest. Happy, happier, happiest. Good, better, best. Wet, wetter, wettest. Find the missing degrees of adjectives. Merry, dash, merriest. Merrier. Cold, colder, coldest. Strong, stronger, strongest. Big, bigger, biggest. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Far, feather, featherest. Old, older, oldest. Mad, madder, maddest. Wise, wiser, wisest.
Agreement of the verb with the subject. This lesson is very important, so read and listen very carefully. You will learn how the verb changes if the number of the subject changes. Look at the pictures. One boy runs. One girl is reading. 3 boys run. 4 girls are reading. What is the difference in the 4 sentences written under the pictures? In sentence 1, the subject is boy. It is a singular number, so the verb is also in singular. Runs. In sentence 2, the subject is boys. It is plural in number, so the verb is also plural. Run. In sentence 3, the subject is girl, which is of singular number, so the verb is also of singular number. Is reading. In sentence 4, the subject is plural. Girls. So the verb is also plural. Are reading. Learn. When the subject changes in number, the verb also changes. The subject in all the sentences given were nouns. Now learn how the verb changes when the subject is a pronoun. First person. I am not well today. Second person. You are not well today. Third person. He or she is not well today. In the same way, we are not well today. First person. They are not well today. Third person. Learn. We see that if the subject changes in person, the verb must change also. In the same way, I have, you have, we have, they have, he, she, it has.
Fill in the blanks with is or are. The boy in black trousers dash my brother is. My father dash a chemist is. Their dash 60 minutes is an hour. Are. It dash pleasant to relax with a book. Is. There dash a fountain in the garden. Is. It dash cloudy today. Is. The wisest man in our family dash my grandfather. Is. Jyoti dash a hardworking girl. Is. There dash many ways in which you can improve yourself. Are. These utensils dash of stainless steel. Are. Drop as or have in the blanks. The cat dash 3 kittens. As. I dash to walk 2 kilometers. Have. She dash a lot to learn. As. This book dash colored pictures. As. They dash go out in the evening. Have. Most people dash teeth problems. Have. Some children dash difficulty speaking. Have a room dash four walls. As my parents dash a generous art. Have our school dash the best reputation. As fill in the blanks with the correct word from the brackets. All the girls in my class dash in the assembly. Sing. January dash before February comes. The voice of the speaker dash heard by all was. The girl with the curly hair dash my niece is. This house dash very old is very old. The women in our village dash many small tasks. Do these boys dash cricket? Play cricket. My father dash a good record. As dash there some difficulty. Is Sarita dash beautifully? Dances. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and share it to your friends.